Do you like linear switches but want to try something more interesting than alpacas or tangerines? Check out these Zaku switches from Bolsa Supply. These are 5-pin switches made of a palm stem, a polycarb top, and nylon bottom. But what really makes these different from many other linears is that they have a combo of a long pole stem and a 63.5 gram double spring. On the left is the Zaku stem, and on the right is the alpaca stem. Yes, these are certified long boys. A longer pull stem results in a shorter travel distance, so you bottom out quicker. This also has a side effect of making the switch sound poppier and louder when bottoming out. Combining the long pull stem with an even longer double spring further accentuates the bottom out and also produces a more aggressive return stroke, perfect for those who love a good clack. Here's a quick sound test.